Mama Cat and Ginger shared a sweet moment, finding peace in the park's embrace.
See, Ginger, this is moss. It grows slowly, soft and...
These wildflowers are lovely. We help families understand which ones are safe and provide guidance on balanced diets for growing kittens.
A playful imitation, a steadying paw, and a moment filled with pure, unadulterated joy.
Ginger finishes her painting. Mama Cat admires it. A shared artistic triumph.
As the day's adventures faded, quiet reflection filled their journey home.
Mama Cat and Ginger share a moment of quiet collaboration in the warm kitchen.
A gentle paw guides a small hand, creating a shared moment of culinary discovery. With earnest concentration, Ginger stirred the colorful vegetables, while Mama Cat looked on with loving pride.
Sometimes we give a little too much love. But the earth is forgiving, Ginger. Everything is going to be just fine.
In the sun-drenched garden, a gentle lesson unfolds, cultivating patience and connection to the earth.
Ginger nurtures new life, a tender moment of growth and hope in the sun-drenched garden.
Ginger's hopeful efforts in the garden nurtured not just a seed, but also a deeper bond.
Mama Cat teaches Ginger the value of order, a lesson in every small gesture.
Ginger learns responsibility through simple, heartfelt actions.
Mama Cat teaches Ginger to sprinkle berries, celebrating participation over perfection.
Ginger struggles with watering. Mama Cat untangles, teaching patience and resilience.
Mama Cat teaches sock folding. Ginger seeks a match, learning observation.
Ginger folds socks with growing confidence, building motor skills diligently.
You're doing great with that, sweetie.
Laundry sways, Ginger and Mama Cat admire their work, content and proud.
Then, Ginger Cat carefully placed the last sparkling sugar cookie on the tallest stack, smiling proudly at her work. Ginger beams as her cookies disappear. Mama Cat shares her quiet triumph.
Mama Cat opens an old album, revealing young self. Ginger giggles with delight.
It's all right, little one. Every stitch tells a story. We just smooth out the rough patches together.
It's all right, sweetie. It's just the washing machines. Let's get your sock cleaned up.
You found the matches! Very good! Now, watch closely, like this.
She's learning that even small tasks done with care can make a big difference. It's about building their confidence.
Ginger waves goodbye, leaving the shelter with a lighter step, content.
Almost there, Ginger. There you go, perfect.
These are simply delightful, Ginger. The finest cookies I've had all season.
Mama Cat places milk. Ginger smiles proudly at her perfectly set spot.
Mama Cat gives Ginger a brush and blue paint, encouraging creative expression.
This feather belonged to a storyteller in our family. It holds many memories. That's wonderful, little one. Now try the pencil. See how bold you can make the lines.
Like this, Mama? It's much easier.
This little guy just needs a quiet home.
I agree. He's very sweet once he warms up.
Mama Cat teaches Ginger to touch moss, explaining its growth and nature's cycle.
It is okay, little one. Come out when you are ready.
She does this often. Her compassion is truly remarkable. Sun sets. Mama Cat and Ginger leave the forest, filled with discoveries.
Sleep now, my little one. The day is done.
Mama Cat and Ginger sip tea, enjoying quiet companionship, a peaceful evening.
Balloon inflated, Ginger claps, Mama Cat ties the knot, securing their joy.
Ginger dances joyfully with her balloon. Mama Cat watches, loving her happiness.
That's a beautiful color, sweetie. Nice and gentle now.
Look, Mama. It's so bright.
Ginger and Mama Cat admire plants, a peaceful end to their gardening efforts.
Mama Cat guides Ginger to peel carrots securely, teaching proper cooking technique.
Ginger proudly chops her carrot. Mama Cat praises, teaching safe food prep.
Some plants, despite their beauty, are best admired from a safe distance and should not be touched.
That stone is wonderfully smooth, Ginger. You did a great job.
I polished it all afternoon, Mama.
Easy does it. That's how we keep the dishes tidy. Now place your paw here and we'll start the water slowly.
Look who just arrived at the shelter, Ginger. She's a little scared.
Ow, poor thing. Maybe my blanket will help.
hold it steady now.
I did it, Mama.
Yes, you did. Very good.
Ginger eats toast, then carefully sets the table with napkins, learning responsibility.
Ginger smooths a napkin, persevering through fumbles, learning with patience. Vibrant art studio. Mama Cat mixes paints. Ginger enters, eager to create.
Ginger finishes her painting. Mama Cat admires it, a shared artistic triumph.
These wildflowers are lovely. We help families understand which ones are safe and provide guidance on balanced diets for growing kittens.
See, Ginger, this is moss. It grows slowly, soft and
It's okay, little kitten. You can look at the mushroom. It's very soft.
She is wonderful with them, isn't she?